Hello, dear friends. This is Jeannie from Dollhouse Rescue. I'm back in my workshop tonight, and I've got three really fun things I want to share with you. I think you're going to really enjoy each of these. And they all came from a different place, so this is a little bit different. So it's sort of a box opening, but a lot of this stuff is, like I said, it's all from a different place. None of it's from eBay, none of it's from Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to tell you where each item came from. The first one I want to show you is this box. Now, this came from Bill Young, and Bill Young has an Etsy shop, and I'm going to put the name of that up here so you can take a look at it. And he and a designer or an engineer craft and design replacement dollhouse parts that might be missing from some of our favorite dollhouses. And I have bought a couple of these. Let me get them opened up and I'll show you what they look like. I'm thrilled to get these. And they were so nicely wrapped, very, very safely wrapped. Now these go to the Mark split level house, which is the house that you can see right back in here. Sometimes Grandma has a good friend that lives there, and Grandma sometimes house sits for that lady. But I recently sold a house nearly identical to that, but it was missing the steps. So trying to be a nice lady and a good seller, I robbed the steps out of my split level and sold them along with that house that I recently sold. Then I thought I was going to be okay if I didn't have the original steps, but these are so cute I felt bad not having them. So I went out to Bill's Etsy shop. I knew he had these replacement parts, and I ordered the ones I needed that are missing. So I will probably, these originally were gray. Now when he 3D prints them or has them printed, they come out white. But I'll probably paint them a light gray like they were originally and put them on that house. I am just thrilled. This goes on the front door around the front of the house. There's the railings, precision made, um, from identical to the originals that somebody shared with him. And then this set goes from the kitchen up into the living room, like a split level. It's got those little steps, and there's the railing that goes to it. So I am thrilled to have that, and I so much appreciate that he coordinates that and distributes those for us and mails them and um, takes care of us that way. It's just a wonderful, wonderful thing, and I appreciate it very much. I have set those aside. This next item came from Walmart, walmart.com. I saw a pop-up ad one day for this, and it was something I've been looking for in person at Walmart and Target and so on. Well, I really don't shop at Walmart a lot, but every time I go, I look for this stuff, and I couldn't find it. And I had seen other people on other YouTube videos buy these, and I thought, I need some of those for my doll houses. So when I saw that pop-up ad, I bought 5 of these. These are my mini baby. They're kind of like the Miniverse or the other mini product type things. And now I think there's like mini dollhouse furniture and stuff. But I've been looking for the babies and I bought 5 of these. And I am going to open them up here with you. Now I have to tell you, I was too excited. So when this came in the mail, I've already opened one. I just had to see what it looked like. So this one's already been opened. Let me show you what it looks like. I think it was super cute. Look, it's got a little tiny silicone baby doll. Is that what I want to say? Yeah. Um, and, a little big for grandma. It could be an oversized, like a toddler almost. It looks like a baby. But it would fit very well in some of my doll houses. And I always think scale is just kind of part of the charm of the dollhouse because it is make-believe. So I might pretend that is the right size. And in a crib, that would be a good size for grandma maybe. Let's see what else came with this. I have not opened these little packages up to see what's in them. I mean, I took a peek, but I have not got this stuff out. So let's see what the little accessories look like. All right, it's got a little birth certificate, my mini baby birth certificate. The instructions for that little chair, little baby seat, and some little tiny plastic pieces. Now these, I believe, go on that little chair, which I got the instructions out to see how to make it, and it goes together like this. Now I will say I had opened this up downstairs to take a peek at it when I first got it. I was so excited, And because of that, there was a little pink cushion there. Well, I don't see it up here now. So learn from me. Open these in your doll room. Don't open them downstairs in the living room where they could get lost. Let me put these little things in there and I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. Those hang down like little rattles. I'm going to have to make that baby a little tiny diaper. Isn't that just the cutest? I am in love. I think I'll find that little pink cushion downstairs. If not, I'll make it work with this little blue blanket I've got in there. Very, very cute. Let's see what the rest of these look like. There's the instructions. Not going to need that. Now, I don't know if these will be the same or different. I mean, you don't get to choose which variety you have. And I think that it said on there that I think it said there's like 12. There's 12 of them. So whether these will be the same or not, I don't know. Now, when I opened that one downstairs, I had to get that started and then it peeled kind of like an orange or something. Well, I'm telling you, those are not that easy to open. So if you give these to a child, be prepared to help them out with that. All right, let's see what this one has got in it. Definitely has 3 packages, so I must have left that one package downstairs. It's probably still down there. But here's the baby. We'll start with the most important piece. Super, super cute. I don't know, are they identical or similar? Yeah, they're pretty well identical. Twins. That's okay with me. Or maybe they're the same one. We'll have to see if this has the same little toy in it or something different. This also has a birth certificate. This is a little like changing table, so I'll probably assemble that separately. And here's the little bag that apparently I was missing from my other one. It was either missing when it came or I managed to leave it downstairs. We'll have to look for it. Looks like I'm going to have to look at the instructions. Okay, again, if you're giving this to a child, you better plan on being involved in putting that together. They just pop together, but it took a little bit of force to pop those together. But that's like a changing table, and it's super cute. And here's that little pad that I'm actually missing from my other little set. This one's a little yellow pad. That other one, the picture looked like it was pink. And that baby had a little bow to put on her hair. And she's got a little blanket. Oh, gosh. Look at that little blanket. She'll fit down inside that. Yep, if I can't find that other one, I'm going to have to sew one of those for my other little baby. Oh, look at how cute that is. Oh, it's so adorable. I am just in love. Super, super cute. Let's open 2 more. This is so cute, but I can tell this is going to be the same as that one I just opened with a little changing table. Therefore, I am not going to open it all the way up because I may share that with somebody else since it's a duplicate. We'll see. Let's just leave him tucked in now that we know who's in there. Let's open this one. This one is ball number 4, and let's see if he is a duplicate. I'm trying to decide if that's a duplicate or not. It feels almost like that same little table, but I can't tell. Let's open it up and look. Yay, it's a different one. It's a little crib. I imagine it'll just pop together the same way. I don't know. Can I do it without instructions? We'll have to see. That other one just popped right together. That is just so adorable, and that little cradle. I'm going to get out um, another piece of dollhouse furniture and do a little size comparison. I almost missed. There was a little tiny teddy bear stuck in there too for that baby. Look at, is that just this very cutest ever? So I was curious to do a size compare to see how this baby stuff compares to the stuff I use in my doll houses. Now Grandma is one of the smaller sizes. She is like what I would call 124. So she's smaller than the 116 furniture. Although the number's smaller, that furniture is a little bit bigger. And a lot of times you'll see that with Ideal furniture and Renoir furniture. And a lot of times the Marks furniture is the smaller 124. Not always, but often. So this particular little crib, this was in Grandma's house, and this is, I would call it, a 124 size, although really it could be a small crib and it could fit in a 116. I use it in a 124 house, and this is marked Renoir. This little bit bigger playpen, this is what I'd call a 116 size, and I would call it a, that is a very good fit. That's a 116 size, and that is marked Renoir also. And then here's the little crib I just got. And this is a Marks crib, and I would call that a 116 size. And it's got a little bitty baby in it that I had in my dollhouse. But look how well these little babies fit in there size-wise. They're perfect for a 116 size. They're a little big for 124, but they're perfect for 116. See, this baby would fit very tightly in that smaller crib. Just for a size comparison. This high chair is not marked. It's a 116 size. I'm sorry, it is marked. It's marked Ideal on it, I think. Yeah, Ideal. And it's a 116 size. And this is a regular Renoir baby that one of our talented people in our Facebook group custom makes these and makes them look a little more like a toddler. But that's a Renoir baby originally. And you can see this baby is about the same size as the Renoir baby, which I would normally say are 116 size. And you can see how well that baby fits very, very well in that 116 size high chair. So that's your size comparison. Okay, we have got two here. We've got one that I opened and it is identical to this. No, it's identical to this one. So I didn't open it all the way. And then this one I have not opened yet. And I think I'm going to leave that as a secret surprise. Because I think what I'm going to do is gift both of these. I'd like to do something nice for people that take the time to subscribe to my channel. So I think I'm going to do a drawing for both of these. And this is how you get your name in for the drawing. All you have to do is comment on this video. Just say I subscribed. Even if you didn't subscribe, I don't think I can even check on that. Just leave me a comment that said I subscribed or anything nice or pleasant you'd like to say. All you have to do is comment on this video and that gets your name in for the drawing. And we will allow a couple of days for this. I'll post on here a time when this contest will end and we'll cut it off. And then I'll contact the winners. I'll just do a drawing from the people that comment on this video. And then I'll notify you. Then you get 24 or 36 hours to reply back. Otherwise, I'll do another drawing and give it to somebody else. I just think that would be a lot of fun. These are hard to find, and I think you will enjoy them as much as me. They're just super, super cute. I don't know what's in this one. This one, I think, has the little changing table. All you have to do is comment, say I subscribed, or say anything in your comment. That's just fine, and you'll get your name in for the drawing. I've got one more thing I want to show you. I put all my babies back there at the Babyland nursery. Actually, that's kind of cute in there. Although the Babyland nursery came with a little bit smaller furniture, I think that could be a really cute display in there just like that. Okay, this is the next thing I want to show you. 2 years ago, somebody in our dollhouse group talked about these little magnets, and I have found them so useful. And at the time I bought a package, and I got a package of 300. After 2 years, those are almost gone. Now, I use them a lot. I'm going to do a separate video and show you, 6 or 8 ways that I like to use these little magnets. But I'm not going to do that tonight. I just wanted to tell you I got these on Amazon because I used 300 in 2 years. This time I got 1,000, and they are so tiny. I don't know if I can even show it to you, but let me show you how little they are. I have taped one to the box here so I don't lose it. There, see how little it is? It's just very little, but they are fairly strong and they will hold a lot of things. Like I said, come back and check. I'll do a video that shows you 6 or 8 fun ways to use these in your doll houses. They are very, very useful. I use them all the time. One fun story from our Facebook group is one of the ladies was using these on something and she lost one and she couldn't find it and couldn't find it. Well, she was gluing them to stuff and it turned out she found it stuck, I think it was under her thumbnail, and it had glue around it and it got glued under her fingernail, and then she couldn't find it. Well, eventually she did find it. So anyway, I'll do another video and show you how we use those. In the meantime, remember, you always have a friend here in Iowa and a lot of friends in our Facebook group. I hope you'll join us. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. And all you have to do to get your name in for the drawing for those 2 babies, those 2 little sets, one of them I just peeked at the little furniture to know that it is the little changing table, and the other one is unknown. It's a surprise. I don't know what it is. It's tempting to open it, but nope, I think I'm going to give those away. They're a little hard to find, so I think it'll be fun to share them with you guys. Thanks so much for joining me tonight. As always, I appreciate it.